Hello, today I'm going to show you how to enable Clipboard History in Windows 11. Clipboard History is a handy feature that lets you access multiple copied items, text, links, and images instead of just the last one. It boosts productivity, especially when working on documents or multitasking. And the best part, it only takes a few clicks to turn it on. Let's get started. Click the Start button and type Settings, then press Enter to open the Settings app. In the Settings window, select System from the left pane, then click Clipboard on the right. Under the Clipboard History section, toggle the switch to On. Once enabled, you can press Windows plus V to view your clipboard history at any time. That's it. You should now be able to use Clipboard History smoothly on your Windows 11 device. Good luck and see you in the next tutorial.